thrust into the corner.
And he's taking this to the outside now.
There's a seat for your face.
He steps foot in the ring again.
Intercepted with a clothesline to cut off the attack. Rollins lining up into the DDT. Look at this crowd. It's insanity in here. Bedlam. Taking the wind out with a stomp to the solar plexus. Just one step ahead. Maintaining a grasp on both opponents. Way up high and down. Lining up and stalking a fallen opponent. This could be the beginning of the end. Vicious strike to the back of the head. I think that'll do it.
Ducking underneath. This is a unique move. Vertical breaker. And the count doesn't even begin.
I'm just as shocked as everyone else, Cole, his opponent included. And a live crowd doesn't get any hotter than this. On the edge of their seats and then some. Oh, what a kick. Pedigree. Oof, kick finds it.
Strikes with a kick.
And he said, "You're not getting me with that this time."
Oh, right in there. What a forearm stomp.
Oh my gosh, what impact.
And we are done here.
Oh, watch this.
This is nasty.
Brutality. Treating the cranium.
This could do it.